Hello and welcome to Save Money by Making Your Own Vanilla. We're just here to give you a brief update on what's been going on with our vanilla. Well, this vanilla I've actually been using because I ran out of my vanilla and I wasn't going to go buy more since I have $240 worth of vanilla right here. So this actually has a very nice street value of $240. Actually, I figured I have $210 into these 4 bottles. That includes the vodka, the rum, the bourbon, and 4 packs of vanilla beans. So this is bottle number 1. So this has been 6 weeks for this one. And it's still kind of kept that same color if you can see it. It's got a golden color. These are the beans we didn't split. Very nice aroma and flavor though. Very nice. And as you can see, it's down. If you look at my other videos and you can measure with your eyeballs, you'll see that it's down some because I've been using it. This is bottle number 2, and this is the first one that we split the beans, and it's vodka. And you can see it's got a gorgeous, gorgeous dark brown color to it. It's got a good smell, but you still get a little bit of the vodka. And what I'm told is you'll notice a significant change. That vodka aroma will go away, and you'll end up with just largely the vanilla smell, which is this. And it has, like I said, this has a good flavor. This is the rum from July 19th, and this is the one we cut the beans up into 1-inch pieces. Look at that. That has a very nice color. And it seemed to turn pretty quickly, but it got nice and dark as it went along. And you can definitely smell the rum, but it has a very nice vanilla aroma to it also. And I found many cocktails that use a vanilla infused rum and bourbon, which is our last bottle. This was from 726, and this is the McLaughlin Distillery's bourbon. And we split the beans, remember. Look at the color of that. That looks like maple syrup. I mean, that is gorgeous. It still smells very much like bourbon, but it does have that distinctive vanilla background. So this will take a while longer, but that's just beautiful, amazing. And it had a nice golden color when it was just bourbon. So, it's obviously going to be a little bit darker, but there we go. So there's my delicious vanilla experiment continuing. I found some really great bottles to bottle it up in, so when it's done, there may be some special prizes for viewers as we go along, as I promised before. And I also found a really neat recipe for making vanilla sugar to use in baking or in your coffee, just by taking a cup of sugar and a tablespoon of vanilla and blending it together, and it kind of melts in there and gives it flavor. So that might be a thing too. We're going to have some great ideas, recipes, and sampling at the farmer's market and standing chimney too. So it's going to be a wonderful vanilla fall. Thank you so much for watching.